My family absolutely loves when I make my tuna noodle casserole. Start by boiling your noodles according to package instructions. In a large bowl, add in tuna, cream of mushroom soup, milk, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, frozen veggies, and cheese. Mix until everything is combined. Gently mix in your cooked macaroni. Evenly spread the mixture into a greased baking dish or an oven-safe skillet. In a small bowl, combine crushed Ritz crackers and melted butter. Top with shredded cheese and your Ritz crackers mixture. Bake uncovered for 35 minutes or until the top is golden brown. You can find more easy family recipes on our website.